Thanks to Jason at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our Speedy Strut Complete Strut Assemblies by SENSEN. We always recommend you go to a professional for this type of repair, however this one was fairly simple with the right tools. Today we will be replacing a set of rear complete strut assemblies on a 2005 Honda CRV. This set fits the 2002 through 2006 CRV all models. We recommend using Speedy Struts by SENSEN when replacing your worn-out struts. These complete strut assemblies by SENSEN come with a limited lifetime warranty. SENSEN uses OE grade coil springs and strut mounts with premium grade bearings. All Speedy Struts are assembly tested for vehicle fitment accuracy and come in high quality premium packaging. Better components, better processes, and better quality, Speedy Strut is a better option. Some of the tools needed for this installation include a 14mm socket for the top 3 nuts, a 15mm socket to replace the new top 3 nuts, and a 17mm socket to remove the bottom bolt.
These are going to be bolted to the inside, so we're going to have to lower it and slide it with the tail. Looks like these are going to be 14mm and 2 bolts going up. We have 1 bolt right here, and it is a 17mm.
It's a sideways van, so that it comes out, this is the drive, silver washer.
Is that one what?
No, that's a heat, that's a strike.
Okay.
The new one is the 14s, 14 millimeter.
See that little short rod right there? Yes. See that bone? What that does is when this goes up, that pushes up, that rod on it.
That's it.
This concludes our rear complete strut assembly installation on a 2005 Honda CRV. Be sure to watch our front complete strut assembly installation on this vehicle. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for their professional installation.